weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling you. It's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Hey guys, happy Vlogmas. It is day 9. Let me know if you guys are enjoying Vlogmas as much as I am enjoying filming and editing and getting it up for you guys. I just got off work. I am currently sitting outside about to go into the Dollar Tree. I'm just kind of browsing around just to see what they have. I also need to pick up like some inexpensive, like, you know what? I'm coming in here to see if they have mugs. Yeah, I'm coming in here to see if they have some mugs. I need to get some for a little shindig. So I also need to go get some groceries. I have started intermittent fasting. Monday was my first day and it's actually going pretty good. So that is where you fast for however many hours and eat for a certain amount of hours. So it's up to you, whatever you want to do. What I'm doing is the fast for 16 hours and eat for like 8 hours of the day. So my schedule is I start eating at 11:30 and I'll have my last meal close to 7:30, and I don't eat anything after 7:30. So yeah, it's been going good. So I need to go to Publix and get me some shrimp and some dressing, because I think I'm gonna do like some shrimp, like a shrimp Caesar salad. So I need to go to Publix after I leave here. And yeah, I just wanted to hop on, say what's up, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, so I am in the Dollar Tree and I'm kind of torn between which mugs I want to get. It's between these plain ones that are a decent size and these marble looking ones. I think I want to do the marble. This is so hard, but these are such cute cups. All right, so I'm gonna do 3 whites and then I'll do 3 marble. So 2, 3, and I'll do 2 more marble. And I also got some hand sanitizer. Can never have enough of that. And I think that is all I need. Yeah, mission accomplished. So I actually ended up just getting all marble. Hey guys, so I just got to Publix. I have an hour and a half to eat, so I need to hurry up. I needed to make a list of what all I needed. I'm not sure if I said it or not, but I'm gonna be making a blackened shrimp Caesar salad. So on my list I have shrimp, croutons, Caesar dressing, grated Parmesan, corn, and tomatoes. So let's play ball. Let's go. Let's go. I hate that my mask looks like it's wet in the middle, but it's not. I don't know what I did when I washed it. Let's play ball.
Going up. Going up.
Hey. Good, how are you? Can I have a pound of the white shrimp? Huh? It's been long. Winding down. What about yours? How's your day?
A little bit more longer to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
You close?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I've been since 12:30. I try to get out about 11.
Oh my gosh.
I work like 3 days.
Oh, okay.
10 hours shift. I get my type in my 40 hours man.
Oh yeah. So you can do what you want to do.
Oh yeah.
So I got one of the scallops and one of the clams. They look good. I just got some shrimp. So I got everything on my list. I'm gonna go check out and try to eat before 7:30. The shrimp shouldn't take long to cook. They're not gonna take long, so let's go. Hey guys, happy day 10 of Vlogmas. Can you believe we are 10 days in? 15 more days to go, but I didn't close out yesterday's vlog, but let me tell you, the salad was bomb. I'm waiting on UPS to bring my package so I can try on my Christmas pajamas. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. I got off work today. What did I do? I ain't been doing that. So my battery to my camera died, so I'm using my phone. I was so pressed to get these pajamas, but I think I'm gonna have to. What is this? I don't know what that is. This is so big. Like, look at the crotch area, it's so big. But yeah, I'm gonna go get it tailored, or I should go get it. I don't have much time to get this tailored, but yeah, I ordered a large and I should have gotten a medium, and I don't know what to look at, this or this, so excuse me. But yeah, like I was saying, I was so pressed to try on these pajamas and get them in the mail. They're all from Old Navy. They were on sale. This was like $10.50 when I got it, and I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see what the others look like. All right, so I got these super cute red and black pattern pajamas. It's a two-piece set, and you have the black bottom here, and I folded this, but I didn't make my bed, excuse that too. But yeah, it has the top to go with it that matches. This actually fits. It's a little big, but it's not as big as the one I have on. This onesie, it's gonna be super cute once it fits, but yeah, I can't deal with all of this. Like, I literally cannot. I also got these pajama pants. I don't have a shirt to go with it yet, but I need to go find one ASAP. So I thought this print was really cute. It has the red, blue, yellow, white, black. I don't know what color shirt I want to wear it with it. Maybe a white shirt or a gray shirt. I don't know. Or black. I mean, any color could go with this. But yes, I love these pajamas. I'm not sure if they still have the sale going on, but I would highly suggest going. These were $9. This was like $9, and I believe these were between $8 and $10. And so once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am about to edit, upload, and have this ready for you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow and Saturday. Love you guys. Good night. Happy Vlogmas.